So what is an API key anyway? Every time I try to learn or use AI agent to automate my video editing or have it take control of my whole laptop to do repetitive things like add caption to my video or make a plugin or a script to use in Premiere Pro or DaVinci, this API key keep coming up in every tutorial, and it has to be paid or you have to subscribe to a Cloud Pro plan and shit. And for a person with zero knowledge about coding like me, it's like teaching a monkey to fly an airplane in 2 hours. I heard people say an API key is like a waiter who take your order to the chef and the chef cook it and give it back to you, but that doesn't explain the whole thing, especially the paid part and the free part. Alright, now let's explain it from someone with zero experience in coding. API is short for Application Program Interface. Basically, your app is just a hollow ball with little to nothing inside it, which we call front end, and all the big things that make your app function are stored inside a cloud, a server, or a database that has a big room with many GPU, many PC, many wire, power station and shit. That's where the real function live, or what I like to call the hard function, to make it possible to show user the soft function. In my case, the hard function is all the coding that they use to train AI model, the binary number 1 and 0 or whatever. And the soft function is the one that I actually see, Cloud AI, that I just take a simple prompt like create me a automate caption plugin and I just do. That's the soft function. To make it possible to show the user the soft function, that's where the API and API key comes in. In order to deliver those hard functions from server to user across the world, the dev need a bridge to connect them. That's the API key, the door or the bridge, whatever. But to make sure that they delivering the right product to the right user, not some random virus or competitor trying to rampage their whole server and shit, that's where the API key comes in. It's act as a membership card that you show to the security at the door to prove them that you are a member. But what about the free API key? Isn't it gonna make the whole server room explode? Not really, because free doesn't mean unlimited. Free API key come with a list. They limit how many requests you can send per day, per minute, or even per month. Think of it like a free gym membership that only let you in between 6 AM and 8 AM, and you can only use 3 machines at the time. So it's like the company saying, if you wanna unlock our cool feature without doing all the hard work that we did for you, you have to pay for an API key or whatnot.